Okay, guys, we're about to check out the density of sugar in water. All right, so when I add, what do you think is going to happen when we add more sugar to the water? You think it's going to be less dense or more dense?
More dense.
And why?
Because there's more in it. If there's more, it's more heavier.
Okay.
Because if there's more stack of these together,
if there's more stack of these, there's more water.
Yeah, it gets heavier.
If it's stacked of these and you put them in the lake and they're all stacked together, then
It'll make them heavier and more dense.
And heavier and more dense.
And the water will just swallow them whole down into the deep.
Because it's adding all that extra weight and density, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, now here, put your cups
We
to the
just
side.
put one by one,
All right.
and they'll just float.
Now, guys, when we do this, you have to follow directions very carefully, understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, you can't get hurt doing this, so there won't be any safety stuff, okay? But we're just going to be careful. Make sure you don't get the food coloring on your hands, because it'll stick. It's going to be really hard to get off.
But why they will stick?
The food coloring is really strong, concentrated color.
Yeah.
So if you get it on you, it won't come off, okay?
But I'll use green and blue to use yellow and red.
Okay.
And I use yellow and red.
Red.
Yeah, and we're going to be very careful with it, okay? All right, so you think if you add more sugar, it's going to be heavier, right? More dense?
Mhm.
Okay. What do you think if we poured all of them together, what would happen to them?
Turn black.
Okay, well, we're going to add different amount of sugars to each.
Yeah.
So say we only add 2 tablespoons to this one, but we add 8 to this. Which one will be heavier? The 8? And what do you think would happen? What do we say it does when it gets more denser? Does it float or does it sink? When it's dense?
Yeah, it's
Okay, so you think the yellow is going to be...
stronger.
Do you think maybe it'll go to the bottom while the blue goes to the top when we add them together?
No, the yellow goes to the top. And
You think the yellow will go to the top?
Yeah.
Grayson, what do you think?
Blue stay.
And that will go down? Okay. All right, put them here. All right, so y'all ready to do this? All right. Since, let's see. Do y'all know how to measure yet?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, well, Uncle Johnny's going to fill these up for you.
I don't really remember how to measure.
You don't really remember?
Yeah, because it was way too long ago.
Yeah, and I didn't remember how to measure but it was really a long time ago. Too.
All right, gotta get the water warm.
We didn't remember
We
how
had
to
it
measure.
warm.
So it will dissolve the sugar.
How would it dissolve it?
All right. Keep that right there, buddy.
Okay.
See how they're the same level?
Yep.
So I'm measuring out the water when I do it.
Hey, mine's smaller.
It's not small, it's the same.
It's the same size. Why do you be the same size?
So when the experiment, we have it, everything's getting the exact same thing, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna measure, you see the spoon here? 2 of these scoops. And we're gonna pour it in there, okay? And then you're gonna dump it in here. But when you measure, make sure it's even on top and it's not all piled up, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want me to pour the sugar for you?
Yeah.
All right, even that out. Is that exactly 1 scoop?
No.
It's not?
Yeah, it is.
All right, dump it in. All right, there's 1 scoop.
Then 2 scoops.
All right, it's 2 scoops.
Looks whiter.
Yeah, because you're adding sugar to the water, aren't you?
Yeah.
Here, you didn't finish the rest of that scoop, bud. You gotta make sure you pour it all in. There you go. All right, and this one, how many scoops are we gonna add? We added 2 to this one.
No, 3.
So we're gonna go 2 more.
3.
So it's 2 plus 2.
2.
4.
4. All right, we're gonna add 4 scoops. All right, there's 1. Now, do you know why we have to make sure we're being precise about our measurements?
No.
So make sure you're pouring all the sugar in. Yeah. So we're making sure that we're being very careful and doing the exact same thing with each one, so we're not changing anything up. How many scoops is that?
4.
How many have we had?
No, three.
So we got one more, don't we?
But we have had 4.
No, we have 3.
We've added 3. There's number 4.
This looks wider.
Hey, add all the sugar in.
This looks wider than that one.
And why do you think it looks wider?
More and less.
Yeah. All right, Kaylee, you ready for yours?
Yeah.
Now, Kaylee, you're gonna have to do a bunch. How many we're adding to this one?
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna do it because. All right, how many are we adding?
3.
Well, we added 2 to Grayson's, 4 to Grace, or 4, and then right here, this one. How many?
5.
Yep.
That's 1.
Use the other spoon, baby.
No one uses this one.
Use the other one.
That's 1.
1. How many were you adding to this next one?
5. 8.
No, whoa. All right, so we added 1 to this one. Go ahead and pour the rest of the spoon. You gotta pay attention, baby. All right.
Put it into this one, okay? This one, Kaylee.
All right, put it in there.
That's number 2.
2. You gotta make sure you're not spilling, okay? You gotta be very careful. All right.
3.
All right, go
Kaylee,
ahead and pour it in.
3.
3.
4. Wait.
We've only put 3 in there.
4.
All right.
And we have
4.
to
We have to get how much in there?
1 more.
5.
No, what are we doing? We're going by 2s. 5. And what's one more?
5.
3.
15, 20,
You're not counting by 5s, dude. All right, we added 6. So 2,
So I got
4,
6.
6. Was 2 more.
1.
Count from 6. 6.
7.
8.
Yep, we're going 8. And how many have we put in here?
1.
1. All right, no, hey.
I didn't wash it off.
You're not washing. All right, ready?
That's 2.
You have to be careful not to get it wet because the
No,
sugar will
this
stick.
one,
All right, go. 1, 2.
I'm blocking this one.
Alright.
I'm blocking it.
1, 2. Add it. 3. Alright. 4. Alright, add it.
5.
5. Alright, add it.
6.
Now, how many are we adding? Oh, hold on.
1 more.
After this? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, add it. 7.
And
8.
1 more. 8. 1 more.
Alright, hold on, stop. Alright, add it. 8. Okay. Now here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna add blue to which one are you gonna add blue to?
This one.
Alright, how many?
So 2 drops.
And I'm going to have
2 drops.
3 drops.
I'm gonna
Okay.
3 drops. You're gonna be careful. 1, 2. Those 2 that dropped.
2,
So 1 more drop. Remember, be very careful. 3.
3.
Okay.
Now what?
Add a 4th drop.
Why?
Just do it. Alright, that's 4. Now you're gonna add your green. How many?
How much is that?
Same amount of drops. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep, 4. Okay.
No, shake them.
That's mine.
No, we're gonna put the lids on them and then wait a minute. Okay.
They're not even moving.
Yeah. All right.
Don't shake them.
You see how cool it looks though? When the,
I'll go to this one.
okay. How many drops you had? Remember, be very careful. Do not
Yo,
squeeze
it
hard.
looks like
Do
those
you-
crystals.
Does it look
It
real?
looks
All right.
cool, John.
I know. All right. Remember, you gotta be very careful.
I don't know what. I don't know how to do it.
All right. 1,
John, it's not moving.
2, 3, 4. You're done. Okay.
Oh, orange, yellow.
You know why it's not moving?
Why?
What do we put in there?
Sugar.
And what did it make the water? Thicker?
Thicker.
Uh-huh.
Thicker.
It made it more dense? Alright. 1, 2, 3, Pour.
No, shake them.
Hold on. Yeah.
Shake them.
Yeah, make sure you can start shaking yours, Grayson. Let me make sure her cap's all on. Alright, now shake real hard. You gotta mix all that sugar up. Turn it upside down so you get the sugar off the bottom. Kaylee, start shaking yours, baby.
No, am I done with that one?
Let me see. Yep,
No, do this.
yep.
Green.
Remember, turn it upside down. Shake real hard, Kaylee. You need me to help shake?
No. I wish I could have one of this. I wish I could have one of these.
I know you do. Alright, let me see them. Is all the sugar off the bottom? Oh, well, you got sugar on the table, girl.
Now it's all.
Does it look? Do they look all mixed up?
Yeah.
All right. Here's what we're gonna do. This is the hard part. Okay.
Nope.
You two, hey, don't fight. Touch your own cups. Let's see. All right. We're gonna pour these in very carefully. Okay. Do y'all think you can pour, or do you need me to?
I think we can pour it.
All right, let's pour this one in first, okay? And we're not going to pour it all in.
Is it good?
All right, be very careful. All right. Right there, Kaylee. All right. Remember to keep your lids on when you get done so that we don't spill them, right?
So, is it all going to be the same color when it comes in?
Uh-huh. All right. Remember, be very careful when you pour.
Nope. Orange. Not the same color. It wasn't going to be the same color.
All right, hold on. Stop,
It's
stop. All right,
orange.
Grayson, ready?
Yeah.
Pour
You
yours
said
in.
you said it
Hey,
would be the same
just wait till
color.
we're done. All right, now pour some of your green in. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop.
Black. Black. It's black. Ew, black. But the blue is saving the day.
Okay, pour. All right, stop.
Ew.
All right,
Ew.
now you're gonna notice something.
What?
All right, look. What does it look like more on the bottom? What color?
Rainbow.
Does it look more green on the bottom
No.
or more yellow?
Black. It's really black.
What color's on the bottom?
Let's see. Blue, green, orange, red.
Okay. Ah. All right. Let's see. So we have to let it sit for a minute, okay? And see if you notice anything.
So it won't work because it's all black. How does it turn out black? Because we didn't use the others. We added them in, use the play circle. So they make them a rainbow. So
Okay. So when we put them all in the jar, that it's all mixed together.
yeah.
Why do you think that happened? What do you think was going to happen with them with the sugar? Did you think that maybe
Turn black.
with the blue having the least amount, it would just float to the top? And with the yellow having the most, it'd go to the bottom? And do you notice anything? You notice the yellow is more on the bottom?
Yeah.
You notice it's kind of more blue on top?
I don't see any blue.
But you notice the yellow on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see yellow on the top.
Well, you see yellow on the bottom, and why do you think the yellow's on the bottom?
Because we put it first.
And it has what in it?
I don't know.
More,
Sugar.
yeah. And why do you think it didn't separate? Do you think maybe...
So, I'll try the sugar.
Okay. Do you think we should have added more sugar to it? to each level, maybe?
Yeah.
So you think we didn't add enough sugar?
Yeah.
And that's why it's just all staying the same?
Oh, it's good.
Okay. Well, so do you think our experiment worked or it didn't work?
Didn't work. Didn't work.
It didn't work? Okay. Well, we tried, didn't we?
Yeah.
All right, what level are you in? Grade? What Grayson, what grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Kaylee, what grade are you in?
Pre-K.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.